Dear kids, welcome to this video. Today we will learn in this video basic subtraction question. Definition of subtraction. Subtraction is the mathematical operation that subtracts one number from another to get the difference. It is represented by the minus sign. Question number 1. We have 8 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We write 8 number. Now 1 apple left. So we write minus 1 below 8. The remaining apples we have 7. Question number 2. We have 6 mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We write 6. 5 mangoes are left. So we write below 6 minus 5. Remaining mango we have only 1. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Question number 3. We have 8 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We write 8 and 4 oranges left. We write minus 4 and only 4 oranges is remaining. So we write 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Thank you for watching.